Hi, I'm Jesse, a developer at NoviSystems. Today I'm going to show you how to install Fusion Analytics on AWS. Starting from the AWS console, click the search bar, type EC2, and click on the first option. On the side panel, under Images, click AMI Catalog. Now click the Community AMIs tab and search Fusion Analytics. The first option is our image. Click Select, and then Launch Instance with AMI. Under Name, you can put anything. Fusion Analytics Trial. Under instance types, we recommend the R5B.XXL instance size. Pick any key pair that's installed. Make sure to click Allow HTTPS traffic from the internet and deselect Allow SSH traffic from the internet. Under Configure Storage, make sure that you have at least 1,000 gigabytes of storage and you set the storage type to IO2 and click Launch Instance. Next, view all instances. It's going to take about 5 to 10 minutes for the VM and the application to come up. After 10 minutes, I'm going to check in again. After 10 minutes, click on the VM you just created, and in the details we're going to search for public IPv4 DNS, and then click Open Address. If you see this warning, know that this is not a real security risk. Click Advanced, and then accept the risk and continue. You will now be prompted to enter a username and password for an administrative user. And click Register. That's it! You've just installed Fusion Analytics on the AWS Cloud Platform. If you have any questions, contact us at info@novi.systems.